making nutrient-rich soil. No need to buy soil for flowers or vegetables anymore. First, go to the mountain and dig up some pine needle soil. If you don't have pine needle soil nearby, humus soil made from years of fallen leaves under big trees works just as well. There's plenty of soil in the countryside, so there's really no need to spend money buying soil. This is the pine needle soil I dug up from the mountain. Then, go to the riverbank and gather some coarse river sand like this, sifting out the large stones. Coarse river sand is loose and breathable, and it helps retain moisture and water. It also contains various nutritious minerals. This stuff is free, and isn't it better than the pricey Mayfan stone or volcanic rock you buy online? In just 20 minutes, I filled over a dozen bags, weighing about 200 kilograms. Next, add a suitable amount of organic compost or leaf mold. Mix the original soil, pine needle humus, and sand together, and turn it well. This process kills pests and bacteria, resulting in loose, breathable, and nutrient-rich soil. It enriches the soil with abundant nutrients and beneficial microbes. Then, add some perlite or vermiculite to improve aeration and drainage, preventing waterlogging and root rot. You can also add a little bone meal or slow-release compound fertilizer to provide ongoing nutrition for your plants. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly, keeping the soil soft, loose, and rich in nutrients. This is a high-quality nutrient soil suitable for all kinds of flowers and vegetables. Using homemade nutrient soil for planting not only helps your plants grow healthier and stronger, but also lets you enjoy the fun and satisfaction of gardening even more.